Hi guys, welcome to today's podcast. And of course, I will do it right here. Our discussions are always top notch. We definitely would be doing something amazing today. All right. And today's topic is understanding recurrent infection in women. Understanding recurrent infection in women. In simple terms, knowing why your infections keep coming back. The reason why your infections keep coming back. Now, before we, dive further, I would love for us to understand what infection is, know what infection is actually. So, in a simple term, infection is the presence of, harmful microorganisms, be it bacteria, fungi, that can actually cause, different diseases. Example of those infections are pelvic inflammatory disease, urinary tract infection, gonorrhea, syphilis, yeast infection. The list still goes on and on and on. I just want to keep it simple and make it understandable. All right, so let's just understand the basic reason why this infection keep coming back. And number one reason, we do that a lot. Number one reason why these infections keep coming back is because we use the wrong drug. Usage of wrong drug is one of the biggest problems why your infection will keep coming back. Example of this is you are having a particular sensation, probably burning sensation where you are eating yourself, and then Folashade will tell you, Chema, I took this particular drug and it worked for me, so take it. It won't work, my dear. So please, it is important that you stop usage of wrong drug. Most times this is due to self-medication, and this might only reduce, it will only reduce the signs and symptoms, but it will not kill the causative organisms of this infection. I hope you understand. All right, so number two is not completing your medication. In fact, almost everybody is involved in this particular one. Not completing your medication. Missing just a single dose of antibiotics can alter the treatment of infection. So imagine stopping halfway through your drugs just because the signs and symptoms has reduced. Doesn't mean that infection has gone. Nah, I'm telling you that you would even end up causing more harm. Because you reduced it a bit, the causative organism will now have time to reinforce, to come back bigger and better. You don't want to do that. So it is important that you complete your medication. If you complete your medication, they might not come back. Okay. Another reason is when you keep reinfecting yourself. Now, how do you reinfect yourself? When you are treating for any infection, right? Make sure that your partner, if you are sexually active, that your partner also treats for infection. It is right that your partner treats for infection. Don't take this lightly. When you don't do this, you reinfect yourself when you probably engage in sexual activity. If you cannot stay without having sexual intercourse with your partner, please. I personally tell my patients to avoid sexual intercourse for some time. So their partner, make sure that your partner treats for infection, and you also do the same thing as well. Now the next one is wearing tight pants or leggings. When you wear too tight panties or leggings, they can actually predispose you to reinfection. Okay, now because there is shortage of air supply to your vagina and your genital area, it becomes moisty, which is a nice place for microorganisms to thrive on, especially yeast infection. So please, auntie, let your vagina breathe. Okay, let it breathe. Another one I would love for us to learn, or another reason why your infections keep coming back, is because you dodge. Dodging is the act of using your hand to wash, or using your hand or using something to wash inside of your vagina. When you wash your vagina with either soap and water, it alters the pH of your vagina. Your vagina is self-cleansing. Okay, so washing the inside of your vagina is not necessary because it is self-cleansing. It will clean itself by itself. If you feel like you need to wash, clean your vulva. Clean your vulva. Clean the labia majora, minora. Just clean the vulva around that place, but not your vagina. Okay? The sixth reason why your infections keep coming back is because you are not wearing the right pants. You are not wearing the right pants. It is actually advisable to wear cotton pants. Chioma, please. It is advisable to wear cotton pants because it actually helps to absorb heat. You know that we are in a country where everywhere is hot. So when you wear cotton pants, it actually helps to absorb heat and provide this cozy feeling down there. It's comfortable. Not when you are wearing something that is not comfortable, we are not wearing good underwear, it will cause you problem later. Okay, so just wear something that is okay, please. Now the seventh reason, or another reason why this infection will keep coming back, is because we use scented pants, some funny feminine deodorants. My dear, if you feel like your vagina is smelling or your genital area is smelling, you do not need to use body spray on that part. If the smell is offensive, that means you have infection. Try to treat it, not adding problem to another problem. It's not actually right. Okay, it's not good. Chemicals that are present in these products, I'm telling you, in these products, they might be harmful, to you. Okay, and then the chemicals too will help bacteria to thrive. Please avoid such products. I beg of you, avoid such products. I need to be very fast with this because of time. Wearing damp panties or underwear, it's another point. It's another reason why this infection will come back. When you allow your panties not to dry properly before you wear them, it's not good. It's moisty. It's not dried. I've said that before. Okay, so allow your underwears to be dry. At least put them under the sun. I've said this like several times before now. Put them under the sun. Allow your panties to get dried. It's important. Girls, please allow it to get dry. Don't wear moist underwear. I know most times you don't want to put your underwear under the sun. You put it in your bathing room. Sometimes they are not dried. When they are not dried, you see mucus. Some persons, I've seen that before. Some persons, when it's not dried, they just wear it. It's not good. It's not good for you, please. Okay. And before we go to the last point, I think I've said something like this before. I just want to say it again for the ladies. Let me just bring it out again properly. The use of funny substance on your vagina is no good. They will make this thing come back again. Should I kneel down for you? Should I? When you use harsh substances like soap, herbal mixtures and other products that is not healthy, for your vagina, they would cause microorganisms to be there, as in the invasion of microorganisms will just like they'll be there. Okay, so don't allow all these WhatsApp vendors, online vendors to pressure you into buying what your vagina is nowhere else for you to be stocking up different products inside. Okay, make sure that before you try stocking anything inside your vagina, please talk to your doctor. All right, please. Then lastly, this will actually blow your mind. This will blow your mind, and I will tell you reasons why to blow your mind. Another reason why your infection will come back is because you are giving head. By giving head, I mean blowjob. Natural bacteria in the mouth are deposited in your vagina. Okay, why giving head? I hope you know that the natural bacteria in your mouth. Some of us, I don't know, I'm using the word some of us. Some of the ladies or the guys, they don't brush properly. Their mouth is not clean, or they just finish eating. Some persons for like the past 15 years. Forgive me for saying that. The bacteria will be deposited in your vagina while you are giving it. During blowjob, they are deposited in the penis, and the penis will now insert it inside the vagina, take it to your cervix. You might cause yourself harm. Okay, let it not look like I'm trying to put you into serious problems. Try to scrape your tongue with either a spoon or something. You'll notice that there's some white stuff that are coming out. And even let me not even go too far. Now, the nutritionist out there will tell you this. The digestion of carbohydrates starts from the mouth. So that means there are some enzymes that are in the mouth. Salivary amylase. That's the name of the enzyme that are in the mouth. Imagine all of these things now being deposited inside. Don't worry, I will do another podcast on giving head the right way. Don't worry, I'll do that. But for now, if you must do it properly or avoid it. Okay? Of course, the person talking to you now. He's not Collins, and I'm actually here to let you know that the reason why this infection keep coming back is because we do not leave some certain things that we do. There are some certain things that we do that we don't even do them properly. Okay? Anyways, I want us to practice good vaginal hygiene. It will help us stay okay. It will help us be active. I'm so excited this evening. I'm so happy this evening because it's a time for us to reflect on some certain mistakes that we've done before, ladies. Some certain mistakes that we've done, and for us to correct them. So until I come your way next week, my name still remains Nurse Collins, and keep it locked down right here. Follow me on all social media platforms at Nurse Collins _ Love you. Thank you.